Okay, hi team. Thank you for joining the class. Okay, I think some of the people are been completely new to this class. Like I posted, our team had been posted the link in the groups, different groups. The people has been joined. Okay, listen the classes if anyone are interested. Okay, please contact to Harsha Training team. First of all, let me try to introduce myself. Okay, myself I'm Venkat Kumar. So I had a 9+ years of experience in Salesforce. Okay, I'm been involved in the corporate as well as institutional wide training from the past 5 years, and coming to the 9 years onwards, I have been involved with different types of projects, and also from past 3 to 4 years onwards, I have been developing different types of websites in Experience Cloud using LWC. Okay, this is the thing which I had been done. Like this is my past experience. The people who are new to the today's class, can you please introduce? Neha, can you please introduce the people who are new to the today's class? Sneha. Puttaraj, can you please explain about yourself? Anyone, please? Am I audible to everyone? If my voice is audible to everyone?
Yes, Venkat.
Okay. Okay, fine, fine. Sai Prasanna, can you please introduce yourself?
My name is Sai Prasanna. I'm from Hyderabad and I'm working as a technical lead, Salesforce technical lead in TCS. I joined this
Okay,
meeting.
fine.
I got the link in WhatsApp. I just
Okay,
want to
thank you,
know
thank you.
what is that LWC. I want to
Yeah,
just
yes, yes,
listen to
yes,
class.
yes. Yesterday I shared one YouTube. Yesterday, our team has been uploaded in YouTube. Sai Prasanna. So once please verify that video. Just only it's for reference. This is our second class Sai Prasanna. Okay. Today I'm
Yes.
discussing about HTML, CSS. Just I'm going with from scratch onwards. Okay. Thank you for joining. Thank you. Yeah. Anusha,
Thank you.
can you please introduce yourself?
Oh yeah, hi, this is Anusha. I have been working as a Salesforce admin for the past 5 years. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Fine. Fine, Anusha. Okay. Okay. I think Prashant has been introduced yesterday. And what about Sudeep? Sudeep, am I audible? Sudeep. Sudeep and Sneha. Okay, but not okay. Okay, fine. Thank you. No worries. No worries. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. Thank you, team. First of all, for joining this class. Coming to the yesterday class, I discussed about what is LWC. Okay, so what we are going to be teach in the coming classes. I'm going to be cover two projects. Okay, one is related to healthcare related project, and another is related to the travel application. Okay. Okay. No worries, Neha. No worries. Okay, that two particular projects which are going to be covered in the coming classes, and the main agenda of yesterday class is like what's the these classes are being going to be 35 days course duration. Okay, in this particular 35 days, like we'll provide the recorded sessions, and also we'll provide the interview questions for each and every the questions whatever will be asked in the interviews. And also we are going to be cover each and everything related to the real time project oriented training in LWC. Okay, that is the main agenda of this particular training. So if anyone missed the yesterday class, I posted our team has been posted the link in the WhatsApp groups, whatever it may be. If you are not received once messages, Harsha Training team will definitely send you the yesterday's demo. Okay, I'm sharing my screen. Okay, I'm logging to the Salesforce. Just what we are going to be teach in the coming classes. Just we are going to be design two projects. Okay, I want to show you two projects. Yesterday I shown in the class. Okay, let me try to show again, and I'll start with HTML then. I'll start with HTML as well as CSS. Like after completion of the class, just we'll deploy it to Experience Cloud. Okay, let me try to go to the all sites. Yesterday I designed two. I mean that just I shown you. These websites have been designed in future classes. Okay, just I'm clicking on preview. Okay, these two websites which we are going to be developed in the coming classes, and also we are going to be develop this website which is nothing but health cloud aml website also we are going to be developed in the future classes. Is my screen is visible to everyone?
Yes.
Okay, these two websites which we are going to be covered in the coming classes. Okay, one is related to health cloud website and one is related to the traveling website. Apart from this, I also use it to be create multiple LWC component from basic to advanced level. Okay, like for each and every scenarios. For each and every scenarios, what I'm going to be teach each and everything, I use it to show the practical scenarios. Like I'll create a separate tab for each and every topic. Okay, for each and every topic I'll create a separate tab. Let me try to discuss different types of scenarios. You can introduce the same LWC components, whatever it may be in your interviews. Definitely, this is your best experience. Okay, like lightning data service, like how to upload images, like each and everything. Yesterday class I had been demonstrated. This is the thing which had been done in yesterday class, like video player. Like for example, if any website if you open, okay, if you want to see their product details, each and everything, there are some videos have been presented. Okay, like how this particular product, like this, just normally how to upload this videos reference, and how to place this LWC component. Just I had been explained an overview. Just I did not, what we are going to be discuss in the coming classes, I had been given an overview. Okay, had been given an overview in yesterday class. That's it. Let me try to continue. So first of all, okay, today our main agenda. If anyone are missed the class, so kindly please contact to Harsha Training. So once please message to Harsha Training team, they will send the YouTube video. Okay, if you are not received, okay, otherwise you can message me. So coming to the today's class, the main agenda what we are going to be discuss. Okay, first of all, I'm going to discuss in the LWC. So we are studying from the scratch. Under the LWC, I'm going to discuss HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So first of all, let's see HTML. After that, let me try to apply some CSS, and let me try to apply from JavaScript that will be used for LWC. Okay. So first of all, you need to install the Visual Studio Code. How to install the Visual Studio Code? I'll tell you. Everything I'll be developed from the scratch. Okay, even you don't have any familiarity. And another thing I want to convey, like to learn my LWC course. To learn my LWC course, you can ask there is any prerequisite. Yes, some basic admin and LWC it's enough. Some basic admin and development, not advanced. Some basic, very basic. It's enough. I'll help you to design each and every LWC component. No worries. I'll help you on designing each and every LWC component. Okay, let us start with HTML. First of all, you need to install HTML. I mean that Visual Studio Code. Okay, Visual Studio Code download. Let me try to click on download Visual Studio Code. And I'm saying again, I'll give you some Q&A also. Like after completion of the class, if you have any doubts, kindly please ask me. Definitely, I'll help you to resolve. Okay, I'm been just copying this particular link. Just you need to click on Windows 10 or 11. Click on this download. Okay, immediately the VS Code will be downloaded. VS Code will be downloaded. Yeah, and I'm providing this particular link in the, yeah. And another thing I want to convey, like I will provide the recorded sessions. Okay, we'll provide the recorded sessions regularly in the drive. Okay, we'll upload it, and also I'll provide the notes. Notes will be provided for each and every notes will be provided for each and every class. And also interview questions will be provided for each and every class, definitely. And also another thing is and also regular assignments. regular assignments I use it to give. And also another thing is because now the people are been switching from different background to Salesforce. Okay, when they're when they are switching from another background to Salesforce, they don't have a sufficient project to keep in their resumes. Definitely they don't have some sufficient which project. Okay, I'll provide two projects. Okay, I'll provide two projects which are using Experience Cloud in LWC. Okay, even you can keep that particular information in your like resume. Okay, I'll share the resumes. Like I'll take after completion of the LWC class. At last, I'll take one day for resume session. Okay, then you can keep your resumes. I mean that you can keep your whatever the projects, whatever we done. It's like health cloud and also traveling application. It's like a real time applications, whatever it may. It's not like a school management like that. It's like a real time application. Even so, you can easily cope up with the things, and you can easily uh, clarify your doubts. I mean that in front of the classes, if you have any doubts, means you can clarify it in the similar way after completion of the class. Also, when you went to the interview, also, okay, definitely you can keep these particular projects in your resumes. Then there is a, I mean that whenever if you are explaining in front of the interview, so no need of any difficulty because you have some idea in our classes. Let me try to start with HTML. Okay, I had been downloaded Visual Studio Code. Okay, I'm going to the downloads. I'm clicking on the Visual Studio Code setup. Okay, click on the Visual Studio Code setup. Okay, I'm opening the Visual Studio Code setup. Give me 1 minute, it is opening. Okay, just you need to configure. Yeah, it has been opened twice. Okay, cancel, cancel. Okay, I think I opened once. Okay, after completion of your all your downloading configuration, it will come. This screen will be a piece for you. Okay, everyone, you need to install Go Live server. Okay, for LWC execution, you don't need Go Live server. For HTML, CSS, and JavaScript execution, you need to install the Go Live server. Okay, I'm saying again, just you need to install the Go Live server. Okay, you need to install the Go Live. You need to configure Go Live live server. Okay, this is the live server. You need to, for me, had been installed previously. That's why it should be disabled and installed. For you, you have an install option. Just click on install option. Immediately, the live server will be installed. Okay, live server will be installed. The first step what you need to do. Okay, first step what you need to do. First you need to create. What is the first step you need to do? First you need to create folder inside our desktop. Click on new, click on folder, HTML, CSS, and JS. I am creating one folder. Click on open folder. I am navigating to the desktop. Okay, just I am clicking on this particular folder. I am clicking on select folder. Immediately the folder will be opened here. Yeah. Okay, the first file what I want to create is nothing but HTML. Okay, dot HTML file. Okay, my first page dot HTML. Okay, everyone able to see? I created my first page dot HTML. Everyone able to see this? I did not start at LWC. The first thing, okay, even you are not been able to, I mean that because the people, some are familiar with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, some are not familiar with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. That's why I started from scratch from HTML. Later it will be go to the CSS, after that JavaScript. After completion of this HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, then I will start with LWC. Okay, from basic to intermediate level and advanced level up to the project level. Yeah, let me try to start. Okay, HTML with headers are included. This is my first page. Okay, inside the body I use it to place all the tags. Inside the body I use it to place all the tags. Let me try to click on Control S. Okay, I'm using. Am I audible to everyone? I'm not getting any response. Spandana, Sneha, Prashant, am I audible? Vagdevi, am
Yes,
I
Venkat.
audible?
Yes.
Okay, there is a go live button is there. Okay, so click on go live button. Okay, click on go live button. Immediately it will be interacted to Internet Explorer or the Chrome. Then this page will be opened. But LWC is different execution. Just only I'm going with this HTML. Yeah. Okay, it may take the time to load this. Yeah, it has been opened. Yeah, everyone able to see immediately. Just the content, whatever I done. Okay, immediately it has been displayed here. Okay, like paragraph tag, it is used to represent the content. Okay, paragraph information. This is a paragraph. Control S. When you click on Control S, immediately the output will be displayed there. Okay, see, this is a paragraph. And also there are five headings are there. Okay, there are five headings are there. Okay, there are five headings are there. Like H1 is used to highlight the heading with big size, whatever it may be. Okay, this is heading 1. And we have H2, H3, H4 and H5 also. Okay, H1, H2, H3, H4, H5. Okay, like H2. Okay, this is heading 2. Okay, okay, this is heading 4. Okay, and another thing is this is heading 5. Okay, like this I'm going to be represent. Okay, this is heading 5, this is heading 4. Like this I use it to going to be discuss. Okay, let me try to place. This is okay, Control S. Okay, automatically the information will become here. Everyone able to see this is heading 1. It is been highlighted. Okay, somewhat the size is increased. This is heading 2 like this. Okay, like this H1, H2, H3, H4, H5 tags. There are 5 tags like H1, H2, H3, H4, H5. Everyone able to understand what I am demonstrating? Am I audible to everyone?
Yes, Venkat.
It's been good.
Okay. So once please interact everyone. Okay. Like the classes, whatever we are going to be happen for the next 35 days. Okay. So every day it should be some interactions are going to be happen. When we are interacted, so when you are going to the project, okay, you can easily cope up with the team. And when you are going to the interview, you can easily cope up with the team. Okay. So please interact in the classes, whatever it may be. Definitely there are good things, good output will become for you. For example, to represent images. To represent images, we'll use img tag. Okay, I'm using the tag which is a pixel. But in LWC, like to upload images, we need to upload to the backend. Then we have some tag, img tag in HTML, LWC. We'll use that particular tag to represent images. Okay, just I'm using pixel. Okay, like IMG, just I placed a href tag to represent this. And to represent, like example, if you click it that particular link, immediately you'll be navigated to the external website. Okay, so we need to use slash a href. For example, I'm navigating to Infosys, https www.infosys.com. If you clicked on this particular website, immediately you'll be navigated to Infosys. See, just I'm clicking this link, immediately I'm navigating to Infosys. Okay, like this I've been navigating to Infosys. Yeah, we can implement these are all the things easily in LWC, whatever it may be, it is showing. We can implement all these things in LWC easily. Yeah. Okay, table tag is nothing but to represent the information in a, table format. Okay, to represent the information in a table format, we'll use a table tag. Okay, we'll use a table tag to represent the information in a table format. So in LWC, so we'll use lightning hyphen data table tag. To do this, we'll use lightning hyphen data table tag in LWC. But here it's a different concept. Okay, but here it's a different concept in normal HTML. Just I'm using a table to represent this. Okay, these are headings. Company. Today just I'm discussing the basic on HTML. That's it. Country and continent. And also a company has some values, country has some values. Okay, to represent values inside the table. To represent the values inside the table. How it is going to be happen. Okay, just normally I'm mentioning. Okay, the people who has been newly joined to the class, kindly please provide your name, email, and phone number in the chat. Okay, kindly please provide your name, email, and phone number. Okay, so our team will contact you for further updates regarding the recorded session, like each and everything. Regular updates will be done. Kindly please provide your name, email, and as well as a phone number in the chat. Okay. So you can able to see the output. Okay, let me try to click on Control S. Okay, I clicked on Control S. Automatically, everyone able to see the information like company, country, and continent. It is been representing, but in LWC, the same thing it will be represented in a like wait, are you can able to see this? Just yesterday class only. You can go to wire adapters. See, everyone able to see the same thing by using Lightning data table had been represented in a structured manner. Okay, so by using Lightning data table tag. Like it is easy to retrieve all the data from the contact object. Immediately it is represented in the table format. Okay, so in future classes let us see this. Here we can use a table tag in normal HTML. And another thing is there are two types of lists in HTML. Two types. Okay, one is ordered list and unordered list. Ordered and unordered. Okay, there are two types of lists in HTML, ordered and unordered list. Let's see two things. Unordered list is been represented by using UL tag. Okay, ordered list will be represented by using OL tag. Okay, let's see the different. If you see the UI, okay, like for example, if it's like admin development, it's different concept. But here in LWC, LWC, if you see in the UI, then you can able to understand exact UI, exact things. Just I'm representing. Okay, I'm going from the scratch. Okay, the same thing. Okay, you can see the output. See, UL tag is used to represent it in a bullet format. OL tag is used to represent the information in numeric format. What's the difference between the UL and OL, Prashant? Hello, Prashant, am I audible?
Yeah, Venkat.
Yeah, what's the difference between the UL tag and OL tag? Okay, I'll tell
It's
you.
simple though.
UL tag,
Only the bullets.
yes, yes. UL tag is used to represent in a bullet format. OL tag is used to represent in numeric
New.
format. That's it. Yeah, that's it. And another thing is HTML forms. Okay, in LWC, definitely forms will take a major role. What is forms? Okay, for example, if you visited to bank, okay, just imagine if you visited to the bank, you are interested to create an account under that particular bank. What's the first step you will do? Okay, you'll go to the sales agent, and sales agent will ask your personal details and like each and everything, like your contact details and your like Aadhaar on each and every details, whatever the required documents to verify. And if they clicked on submit, immediately the details will be submitted to the Salesforce org. Okay, in LWC. Okay, like normally in LWC we'll use lightning hyphen input. Like when I'm teaching LWC, I'll discuss this. But in HTML, so the tags have been differentiated. Let's see. Okay, just normally I'm been representing. Okay, just I'm representing some input box. Input type is equal to text. Okay, I'm giving break. You can able to see the output. See, everyone able to see some input box has been came in LWC in HTML, but in LWC lightning hyphen input to represent this. In future classes, when I'm discussing this particular part on LWC, then I'm going to start each and everything one by one. In LWC, no need of giving break. Here only we need to give break to divide one by one. It's like a last name. And to represent radio buttons. Anyone know this? Anyone know this type of buttons? Anyone seen when you filling the data? Anyone seen this type of buttons? It is nothing but a radio buttons. It is nothing but radio buttons. To create these buttons, input type is equal to radio. In LWC, the syntax is not this much of difficult. It's easy only. Here only somewhat. You need to mention all this. Let me try to create different radio buttons like HTML, CSS, JavaScript like this. CSS. Okay, you can able to see the output. Yeah, everyone able to see HTML. Just like this, some radio buttons. The same thing if you want to represent in LWC, you can mention. type is equal to radio. It's very easy in LWC. You can able to observe in future classes. You can easily collaborate. Label. No need of dividing again. Like this you can represent in LWC. No worries. Just I'm been demonstrating this HTML. And also another thing is checkboxes. Anyone here these checkboxes? Checkboxes. Yes. Here we can use type is equal to checkbox. Okay, let me try to create different types of checkboxes like car, aeroplane, ship, like this. Let me try to create different types of checkboxes. Okay, bike is one checkbox. Boxes are being able to create it. Everyone is understanding what I'm teaching. Everyone understanding the class. Anyone have any queries? Anusha, Prashant, Salar, Sai, Prasanna. Anyone have any queries?
No, I don't have
So
any.
no queries. Yeah, no queries.
Fine, fine. Okay, just I created all this. And let me try to and everyone able to just like we have this drop down list like under the account object. Okay, under the account object something like this, like drop down list. Anyone identify this drop down list like rating? Okay, like this some drop down list. Anyone identify this drop down list? Like for example, if you take insurance project like health
Like
insurance.
pick list values.
Yes, yes. Pick list drop down, yeah. Bike insurance. Okay, in LWC it will be called as a lightning combo box. Combo box. But here, okay, let me try to design these things. Okay, I'm choosing a car. Okay, I'm selecting. But in LWC, we don't need to create this much of code. It will be decreased. Just normal, I'm explaining you. Yeah. Just I'm differentiating. When the time has been came, I'll teach each and everything LWC from scratch. You can, I'll tell you like where you need to take. For example, if you got some doubt, where you need to take, how to resolve the assignments, everything, everything. I'll tell you step by step. Okay, just normally, I'm been representing one combo box. Volvo, like this. I'm mentioning some combo box. It's like a Toyota. Just I'm been creating combo box with like a drop down, whatever it may be. Pick list. Okay, I'm clicking on Control S. You can able to see. Yes. Everyone able to see the drop down list. Okay, drop down list. But in LWC, I told you lightning hyphen combo box. And another thing is like the buttons will take a major role, okay, in every components, whatever it may be. If you did not submitted the data, how the data will be submitted? Okay, submit. Okay, in LWC, so we'll call as a lightning hyphen button to do this action. Okay, and here the thing is just normal, I'm representing the button. Okay, whenever if you click this particular button, immediately, okay, hello world message will be displayed. I'm mentioning hello world. Okay, whenever if you click this particular button, immediately hello world message will be displayed. Just I'm mentioning hello. Click me, control S. Let us check what will be going to be happen output. Okay, just I'm clicking on click me, you can able to see alert. Like in normally in LWC, like it's like a toast notification. Whenever you click on this particular button, immediately we'll get like success, failure, like this, some toast notification. Okay, like this. And some more other things. And for example, okay, like if you want to represent anyone date, okay, date information, like I want to give my date of birth, or some other Prashant wants to give date of birth. Okay, I want to create some date, okay, by using this, like birthday. I'm mentioning input type is equal to date. Okay, this is a thing. I mention input type is equal to date. Yeah. Any doubts still now? You can able to see. Just I got some date indication. Just I mentioned input type. See how the things, how the HTML has been designed. The root cause for each and every language is been came from HTML. Okay, HTML. In LWC, we'll call lightning input type is equal to date. Okay, one future, I'll tell you. Let me try to. I'll give assignments and also I'll create multiple types of forms in the classes. Okay, this is a thing. Yeah, this is about some information about HTML. Anyone have any doubts on the HTML? Anyone have any doubts on the HTML? Anyone have any doubts on HTML? The things what I teached.
Yeah,
Any
Venkat, you will be
doubts?
covering all these things in the foregoing classes, HTML
Yes,
and all
yes,
this.
what I, yes, yes, yes. Today just it's like a basic, just first of all, before going to LWC, okay, just I'm teaching HTML, CSS and JavaScript, okay. After completion of that, again I'll start with basic from LWC. Okay, like from lightning input tag, how to retrieve, everything I'll teach. Just only I'm differentiating. Today I'm teaching just normal HTML, some basic HTML. Prashant, whatever I've been just comparing how HTML and LWC. Okay, like whenever like fundamentals have been starting from LWC, then I am going to be start that particular part. Prashant.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Mm.
Like, so we need to learn the HTML, CS as well.
Yes, because some people are familiar, Prashant, some people are not familiar. That's why I've been
Mhm.
teaching HTML, CSS. Just you will get some at least a familiarity how the front end you are like that. Okay.
Yeah, because I'm not
Ease of,
familiar with these things.
yeah, that's why. I think you are able to understand the things. What
Yeah,
you
I
don't
can able
need
to understand, but I'm
more,
not
more.
familiar with this.
No worries, no. That's when I started with this. Yeah, some people are been from different backgrounds. Some people from the sales, they know HTML. Some people don't know. That's why I started with HTML. Without learning HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, You can learn,
Mhm.
but if you learn HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, it's very easy. You are jumping to LWC. Okay, that's why
Okay.
I teached. And let me try to design. Start from CSS. CSS is nothing but cascading style sheets. And another thing I want to convey, okay, like if anyone are interested, okay, the people who are contacted, fine. If anyone are interested, furthermore people, okay, contact to Harsha Training team. Okay, if anyone are furthermore interested in the classes, whatever it may be, okay, further like the next two classes, it should be some 2 to 3 classes. Okay, it should be some demos. Furthermore, you are interested, once please contact whatever it may be. Yeah. And also yesterday video also been uploaded in the YouTube. Okay, if anyone are able to see, once please see the recording also, if anyone are missed the class, yesterday class.
Will you upload means this LWC classes in YouTube?
Yeah, first 3 to 4 classes have been uploaded. Yeah.
Hmm. Not all the
Yeah.
classes, like 35
No, not
days.
no. The first 3 to 4 classes been uploaded. I think who is this,
Hmm.
Anusha?
No, this is Sai Prasanna.
Yes, I Prasanna. Like first 3 to 4 classes will been uploaded. If anyone are interested, they can enroll for that. Then the drive access will be provided for the people who has been registered. Then we'll upload the videos to the drive. Yeah,
Hmm. Okay.
yeah. Like just I'm providing the number. If anyone are interested, ones please contact the team. Okay, 9885312299. Okay,
Yeah.
let me try to discuss about CSS also. Okay, CSS is nothing but a cascading style sheet. I'm saying again, without CSS, without styling, okay, the website not being looks interactive for the customers or whatever it may be. So with the CSS, by applying styling, definitely it will looks attractive. Okay, definitely it will looks attractive. So there are 3 types of CSS: inline CSS, internal CSS, and external CSS. Okay, external CSS in terms, okay, you need to create a separate CSS. Okay, and coming to internal CSS, and internal CSS, and in normally in LWC we'll use in LWC like internal CSS in terms, like we'll use it it is easy to be defined inside the style tag. Like internal CSS in terms, like I'll tell you. Okay, inside the HTML we'll create some style tag. Okay, inside that we'll apply some CSS inside the HTML, but we are not using internal CSS in LWC. Okay, we are not using internal CSS. We are not using internal CSS in LWC. I'm saying again. Okay, and coming to inline CSS, we'll use inline CSS as well as external CSS in LWC. We'll not use internal CSS. I'm saying again. I'll tell you. For example, we created HTML like this. If you want to apply some styling, like this, inline CSS means you can apply some color. Okay, you can apply some font size. Just I'm applying this. This is nothing but inline CSS. Internally we can apply this information. Yeah, let us see, then you can able to understand. Let us see the HTML, let us see the CSS. Let's create a separate file and let's connect that particular file with our HTML. then you can able to understand. Okay, I'm creating a style.css. .css. This is a CSS file. Let me try to create a my second page.html. I'm applying some head. Okay, I'm linking this style.css. In normal LWC, no need of linking. Automatically, it will be linked. But here in HTML and CSS, we are linking. Okay, just I'm applying some body. This is div tag. Just normal, I'm applying. This is div tag. I'm connecting. Okay, I'm connecting the CSS file with this my second page.html. Okay, we need to use a style sheet. Href is equal to dot slash style.css. And another thing I want to convey, there are three types of selectors. There are three types of selectors. And you'll get some doubts. Okay, like sir, like I had been provided these notes. Okay, like you will provide this particular notes. Definitely, every notes will be provided. Whatever I'm teaching, everything had been designed in a proper order. You can able to observe. Give me 1 minute. I'm opening the notes, whatever it may be. Each and every notes I prepared. Okay, after completion of the class, okay, we'll share these notes also. The people will share the notes also. Yeah, it will be uploaded to the drive. Yeah, what are the things which I'm teaching? Everything has been available. And another thing is there are three types of selectors. There are three types of selectors. ID selector, element selector, class selector. Okay, let us see how to represent each and everything. For example, if it's ID selector. Okay, for example, if it's ID selector in external CSS. In external CSS, it will be indicated as hash. Okay, for example, if it's element selector, it will be indicated as dot notation. And if it's a class selector, okay, if it's a class selector, okay, if it's a class selector, it will be indicated as a dot. Indicated as a dot. And if it's a element selector, it will represent with the tag element. With tag in CSS. Okay. And another thing I want to convey. Okay. Another thing I want to convey. What's the difference between ID selector, element selector, and class selector? Okay. For example, if you have multiple p tags, I'll explain you everything what I'm showing you, everything in tomorrow's class. I'll explain you practically. Am I audible to everyone?
Yes, Venkat.
Okay. What are the things which I'm showing you? Each and everything. Okay, the practical demonstrations will be done. Okay. So today I'm explaining you in HTML. I practically demonstrated. The same way regularly whatever I teach, everything will be practically demonstrated. ID selector is nothing but whenever if you want to represent the element uniquely. Okay, for example, if you have multiple p tags inside HTML, to demonstrate to another. Okay, then we can use this. And if it's an element selector, okay, like if it's an element selector to demonstrate the data uniquely. Okay, to demonstrate the data uniquely, so we can use ID selector. Okay, ID selector, and to apply the CSS to two p tags, we can use class. Okay, let us demonstrate. Let us demonstrate practically. Okay, just I'm mentioning user one. Okay, I'm applying user two. Okay, this is class one, and this is class two. Just normally I created some tags. Okay, with user two as well as just normally user one as well as user two. Okay, I'm applying some CSS here externally. If it's a normal selector, okay, it's like an element selector. Okay, this is an element selector. Okay, I'm applying some font size 20 pixel, color yellow green. Okay, background color aqua. Really the CSS looks, I mean, that cool, like it's very easy. Okay, if you need any, if you don't know that particular thing, the font says, you can go to w3schools.com in real time also. Based on the client requirement, we'll design. Yeah. Yes. I hope it's fine. Let us continue the things in tomorrow's class. Any doubts to anyone? Any doubts to anyone? Anusha, Sai, Prasanna. Yes, Salar. Yes, I'll share the
No.
contact number. 1 minute. I'm sharing the number, Salar. I think Salar is when I give a number. I think he did not note it. I'm providing the number in the chat also. If anyone are interested, once please contact. Okay, and also that tomorrow also the classes will be continued as usual. If anyone are interested, once please contact. Okay, yeah. Okay, team. Thank you. Kindly please join tomorrow also the same timings. Let's interact and continue the class.